Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start grammar lesson number 8, conjunctions. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrase or sentence. There are three kinds of conjunctions. First one, coordinating conjunctions. Second, correlative conjunctions. And third, the subordinating conjunctions. Now in coordinating conjunctions, it may join single word or they may join group of words, but they may always join similar elements like word plus word, phrase plus phrase and sentence plus sentence. Remember, a comma is used along with coordinating conjunctions to connect two independent clauses. It is important to note that a comma is never placed after coordinating conjunction. The short form of coordinating conjunctions is fanboys, where F stands for and, or, but, or, yet, so. So you can remember fanboys. We move to first exercise. Choose the appropriate conjunctions to complete the sentence. First, the bus stopped and the man got off. B. We stayed at home and ate there. C. I wanted to buy a newspaper but didn't have enough money. D. He's so nice but he doesn't have enough money. E. Do you want tea or coffee? F. Is the Empire State Building in New York or in London? G. Is it a new house or an old house? H. I enjoy visiting many different countries, but I wouldn't want to live overseas. Next, we can go by bus or we can walk. Last one, I can't remember his face, but I know his face from somewhere. Now second exercise, filling the blanks with appropriate coordinating conjunctions. I have just eaten dinner, so I'm not hungry. Next, don't tell Paulina about her birthday party or you'll spoil the surprise. Next, I have been saving my money this year and I plan to take a long holidays in Malaysia. Next, do you want anything else or can I go home now? Next, I hate traveling by bus, yet I go to work by bus every day. Next, I like living in a big city, so I will buy a house in Delhi or in Sonipat. Next, Benny's got neither a promotion nor a raise in the salary. Next, you are 30 now. Don't you think it's time that you settled down and got married? Next, Maridul got a great Diwali bonus from his work this year, so he and his family can have a good vacation this year. And last one, the taxi stopped at the train station for the two men wanted to board the train. The next kind of conjunction is the correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pair of words that are always used together. The correlative conjunctions are both and, not only but also, either or, neither and nor, whether or. So it is both are used together. Okay. In correlative conjunctions, add one sentence or fact to another. For example, a lady was both angry and irritated. The dress was not only expensive but also big for Stella. Then there can be an expression of choice between two alternatives. For example, I like neither brinjals nor capsicum. You have to be either a captain or the class monitor to write a note in the school diary. I do not know whether I should wear jeans or a skirt for the party. Exercise 3. fill in the appropriate correlative conjunctions in the following sentence. First, Miss Sapna is not only a good teacher but also very sincere towards her profession. Next, Nikhil may take his vacation either in July or August. Next, Tanu grilled meat for not only Phoebe but also her dog Buddy. Next, Seema is not only good at history but also geography. Next, they can grow not only thyme but also rosemary in their kitchen garden. Next, neither Anna nor Hannah knows the answer. Next, Tasha can not only bake cakes but also make pastries and pies. Next, you can either buy a smartphone or a laptop. Next, Arpana can both sing and dance. Last one, I want neither the strawberry cake nor the chocolate cake. Exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with appropriate coordinating conjunctions. I was having a lot of trouble with my bicycle. The brakes kept failing, so had a lot of trouble while cycling in traffic. I wanted to repair it, so I took it to the repair shop. The man there was knowledgeable, but he couldn't understand what was wrong with my cycle. He spent hours on it, yet he couldn't set it right, nor could he tell me what the problem was. I was quite disappointed, for I really loved the bicycle. I knew I would have to sell it or keep it in the garage. I did neither. Now I ride the bicycle and shout out to anyone who gets in the way. B part. If you join our course, you will have various options to pay the fees. You could pay it all at once, or you could pay it in installments. We added the second option, for people found it difficult to give such a large amount all at once. You can choose either, but you have to indicate your choice now itself. Please fill out this form and hand it over to the person behind counter number 3. You cannot pay in check nor can you give cash. You will have to make a demand draft, so please find out which bank will you do so for you. You will not join the course. We have given you so many options, yet you are reluctant to take up this course. Oh, you are the person who had applied for the job of cashier in this office. So sorry, the boss is away at this moment. He will be back soon. I hope, dear children, you have understood up till here. The next conjunctions, that is the subordinating conjunctions, I will do in my next video. Thank you.